Right, time to build myself some Grundstok Thunderers. They appear somewhat complex, a lot of these, so I'm going to probably build them one at a time. Alright, let's start off then. I'm going to build the Gunnery Sergeant. So it's starting out on this one. Let me find it. I think we've got to start with 28, which is over this side. And what else do we need? We need 20, 22. It's a bit hard to get clippers right in on this one, so probably going to have to cut a bit further away and then kind of move inwards. 22 for this leg. Now, we've got some choices here actually, so could use 22, but there's quite a nice looking mechanical leg if I can find it. 31. Let me see if I can find that because I like the look of it. Let's see where that is. I'm struggling to find it. It's definitely showing as one of the alternative parts. Just got to see if I can pick it out. Kind of annoyed me that. Yeah, there's like, see, that's the regular leg. Oh, there it is. Right. Okay, so just here, you see, got this kind of mechanical leg here. I definitely prefer that one. Right. Let's get these tidied up and then on. Yeah, I like it when you've got alternative parts like this one, and I definitely think this mechanical leg. Is it? Yeah, mechanical. Looks like this part's going to need a lot of cleaning up as well, and you can see the position of some of the ejection points is a bit difficult to get in. Right, get this part glued up, and then while that's kind of drying, I can then move on to cleaning up the front of the body. My fingers are going to have a clumsy day today. What else do we need here? So we got choices of heads between 32 and 33. Now, one of them looks like it might be, have a look. So yeah, here we go, 32 and 33. It's really more about the eye lens, depending on which side you want it, left or right. I think I'm going to go for 32. Then 27 for his backpack. I'm finding this guy anyway, quite easy to put together. I do find it frustrating sometimes when you've got pieces where you can't quite work out how they're supposed to go on. But these ones seem quite simple. I think I need to trim that down a bit more. Just trying to get the positioning right on this. It seems a bit weird, to say the least. There. Okay, and now his gun, which is 26, 29 and 30. Got this falling off. $6.29 and was 30. I do love these guys. I love these Carajons. Now, here's a cool thing I've seen recently. Coming up on Total War Warhammer 3, I've noticed that the dwarves are getting updated, and part of that update looks like they're bringing in some pretty cool stuff, like the larger Slayer armies, and it looks like a wider variety of airships for the dwarves, which I'm really pleased about, because I've said in the past I was completely convinced that with the Karajon overlords, they're kind of like the natural evolution of the dwarves. I think we're going to see with the Warhammer the Old World, I suspect we're going to see certain things added in that kind of tie the Old World in it and the Age of Sigmar together, making them appear a lot more like a natural evolution of one of the other, which I'm really pleased about. Right then, now what's next? 24, where's 24? Here we go. Yeah, I can't wait to see that in Total War Warhammer. It's always the same, trying to get these arms to be in a comfortable position, isn't it? You've got to get them triangulating just right. You got to get them all slotting together, and then at the same time, you've got to make sure that they sit in the right place in the shoulders, which I think I've managed. Let me just double check that. Oh no, look, see, I've got a fourth point to work it into there. There we go. Just realised I've not trimmed that down well. There we go. Done. Right, and there we go. That's our Gunnery Sergeant. So I like these models. I absolutely love these Caradron Overlords. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.